Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick little video on an issue that I've encountered when I used the PodMic USB for the first time. I had the USB icon with the number 0. Really had no idea what this was. I looked all over online for it. Could not find a single fix for it. It wasn't until I came across some Reddit post that kind of showed that they had a chat with, I think it was Rhodes technical support, that mentioned it had something to do with device manager rather than the actual device being either fake or broken. It's not your cord or anything, so it's actually just some settings that you needed to change in device manager. So I'm gonna show you the fix real quick. As you can see, mine is currently working right now, but the screenshot that I have over here was what it looked like before the fix. So all you have to do is just go search for device manager, right? Then once you're all the way over here, we just have to go under sound, video, and game controllers. Yeah, so just click on the little arrow here to drop down the options, and then you're gonna look for something called Intel Smart Sound Technology for USB audio. This was the main culprit. All you have to do is just right click it and then click disable device. Once you've disabled the device, just restart your computer and then open up your Rode Connect app. It should be fixed just like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this helps. Really could not find any sort of video or tutorial on it, so figured I might be the first. Well, yeah, peace.